Hey guys, Matthew here. So I've got the Sony Extra Bass 23, so SRS-XB23 here. I went and got this from Best Buy for $79.99. Usually it is $99.99, but it's on sale, and I think that sale has been going on for a while. So just letting you guys know, right now it's on sale, but you never know. So, but anyways, even at $99.99, I hear this is a great speaker. I've got the Sony SRS-XB23 right here, and it was a decent speaker. I did an unboxing of this speaker, but it was decent, pretty good bass, and decent sound. But anyways, this was also for $99.99 when I got this, and I believe that was like last year or a year and a half ago. So, and then my favorite small Bluetooth speaker is the Bose Micro right here. I really like this speaker. It sounds amazing, has great bass for the size and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and just unbox this and see how this one is, just at least the first impressions and all that. And later on, I'll do a comparison between this one and my favorite, the Bose Micro right here, and maybe the Sony SRS-21. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this, and we'll just go ahead and pull this right here and pull that out, and then here is the speaker itself right here. Let me take it out of this little thing, and we'll toss that. We got some paperwork here, don't really need it, so we'll toss that and that. And the only other thing that comes in the box is a USB-A to USB-C cable, because luckily Sony changed and used USB-C for charging, which is nice. I really like that. Okay, so to go over, I guess, the quick specs of this, this is Sony's new smallish size speaker. It fits in kind of a cup holder or anything like that, but anyways, this uses Bluetooth 5.0, so that's nice that Sony has moved to Bluetooth 5.0. I know there's still some Bluetooth speakers that use 4.2 or something like that, and so I'm glad that Sony at least uses 5.0. This allows for like a 98.4 feet, I believe is what the specs say for the distance, for Bluetooth distance, which is nice. Hopefully that will be true, but we'll find out, and I will test all that and then come back with a review later on. But anyways, this is supposed to sound really good. You've got some bass resonators right here, so you got one here and one here, so it allows for the bass to be pushed out, versus a speaker that kind of has it hidden and all that. So this way, not only do you see the bass, but it also allows for better airflow when it comes to bass itself. First impressions is this is nice. It's good quality build. I like this design. I like that you can kind of sit it on a table like this in the corner or anything like that, and it just kind of sits there. The old speaker, you had to kind of do it like this. I mean, I guess you could do it like this, but it didn't really work all that well. You had actual dedicated feet here, and so it was decent. I did hate that the old one, even last year, used micro USB to charge. However, this one, like I said, uses USB-C right here on the back. If you open this up, there's the USB-C port for charging. Sadly though, this does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can't connect this to anything with a headphone jack. You have to use Bluetooth in order to connect to this. But anyways, again, it's Bluetooth 5.0. It should be pretty decent. So anyways, I do like the updated design. I like how it's a little bit longer than the old one, which should give you some good sound. I do notice right here that it does have some vents. I've heard some people say stuff about like, oh, it's good for when you put it up against the table or up in the corner or anything like that. It allows for the bass to be pushed against the wall and anything like that. However, in my honest opinion, I don't think that is what Sony is going for. I think it's going for more because when you have it like this, or let's say, okay, you have it like this with no no opening, no port for the air to come out for bass, your bass starts getting a little muddied. It gets muffled, you get some dirty bass, it's not very good. So when you have it like this with the air ports in the back or anywhere here, you have the air ports here, it allows for the bass, it gives the bass some room to go, somewhere to go, and it allows for some clean bass versus not having it. So that's just my opinion. That's how I feel with music. I'm not at all like a music engineer or sound engineer or anything like that, but from my experience with music, I do like music a lot and all that. With my experience, I feel that these ports right here are more for allowing the bass to not be muffled, get dirty, or anything like that. It allows for more of a clean bass sound because, like, again, up top here you've got the bass resonator, and again, it doesn't need that because it is on the top, so you should have plenty of airflow. But here you do need it because you don't have any airflow unless you have the ports here. So in my opinion, that's what it is. However, on the back here you have your power button, you have your Bluetooth button, then you have your pause play button, and probably pick up or answer phone calls, which is nice. You can take phone calls through the speaker itself. You also have a volume up, volume down button. You kind of have a battery button as well, along with party mode, which allows for you to connect multiple of these together to have more of like immersive sound. I think you can have about like up to 100 of these connected for party mode. And then you also have stereo pair, so that way you can pair two of these together, and one will be the left channel and one will be the right channel. Let's say if you want to connect it to like your phone or to a TV or anything like that, it will sound like a stereo pair. So that's that. It's pretty cool. I really like it. I also want to bring attention to the fact that there is an app. It's the Sony Music Center app that I think other Sony products use. There's the headphones, earbuds, stuff like that. They use an app, and you can, through the app, you can control the EQ settings, and you can go further into kind of different settings and all that to make this sound more bassy, less bassy, anything like that. More just kind of customize your EQ and all that. So there is a Sony music control app. It's available on the iOS Apple Store and Android Store, and from there you can just download it, and then you can control this and customize this even more for sound and all that. So just wanted to let you guys know about the app as well. Hopefully this sounds pretty good. I will go ahead and just test this, see how it sounds, all that stuff. Kind of compare it between this and the Bose, and compare it between this and the Sony SRS-XB23, I guess, if you want to say it that. And then I'll come back and do a full review and kind of tell you how I feel about this compared to my favorite, again, the Bose Micro. This is for $99. This is $99. However, this one's on sale for $79.99. So I feel that for $20 off, this is a good price and a good deal for that. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Until then, everyone, stay safe.